Morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some showers out there currently. You can see that this morning, and then that should taper off or move out of the area for the afternoon, but still can't rule out some showers in the afternoon hours today as a cold front will be passing through the region and kind of just lingering across the and south of the area for later on this afternoon. We'll see those warmer temperatures today in the 50s before temperatures fall off during the late afternoon hours as that cold front passes south of our region. Seeing some slightly breezy winds this morning out of the southwest. Possibly could see a wind advisory, but most likely will not, as wind gusts have only been seen in the lower 20s this morning and nothing quite near 25 knots. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have that boundary that's moving through this morning. It's kind of a warm front slash stationary boundary moving through the region, really associated with these showers this morning. And then we do have a cold front off to the west that's going to be moving through for the afternoon hours today. And we'll have an area high pressure building in from the north, and that's going to give us some cooler weather for tonight into tomorrow, with some unsettled conditions for tomorrow afternoon with rainfall moving into the region. So taking a look at our current observations at 8:15, have a broken deck around 1,500 feet, overcast deck around 3,500 feet, restricted visibilities of 4 miles, some light rain, and some mist out there. Seeing a southwesterly wind around 12 knots, gusting to 20 knots, temperature 54 degrees, and relative humidity at 94%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you see we do have plentiful cloud cover out there associated with those rain showers. Taking a look at the radar imagery this morning, you can see here's Wallops, so there's rain showers moving off into the area from the southwest and northeast, and looks like we'll be seeing this pretty steady rainfall for at least the next half an hour to possibly hour before we see that rainfall start to taper off and become more showery in nature. So looking at the HER model for today and the derived reflectivity, this is at 8 a.m. currently, so there's rain showers in the area, 9 and then 10. You can see kind of brings some rain showers through the region until about noon today, and then this is at 1300 local or 1 o'clock. Then we just should see some isolated to very scattered variety type rain showers through the rest of the day, and overnight we should remain dry as that area high pressure builds into the region. So taking a look at a risk chart with that rain likely and occurring right now, red condition for that, then we'll just see yellow conditions with about a 30% chance of rainfall through the remainder of the day, with those rain showers trying to move in the region, but most likely staying just south of the area. A high around 56 degrees today, a low tonight around 40. Seeing those southwesterly, west-southwesterly winds this morning gusting all the way up to 22 knots. Then when that cold front moves through for later this morning into the early afternoon hours, winds will shift out of the west and then finally out of the north, and a little bit less than this morning, around 8 to 13 knots, and we'll continue with a north-northeasterly direction tonight at 7 to 12 knots. Taking a look at our ceilings this morning, could possibly see something near 500 feet as we do have that rainfall in here. And those ceilings should lower after we get past about 10 o'clock this morning with that cold front moving through, and looking like we have the best chance of seeing some ceilings below 500 feet around noon today until about 1800 local. But overall, we'll probably stay at or above 500 feet, but can't rule out that lower ceiling for the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our next 24 hours and our terminal forecast, going to see those lower ceilings in here today, around 1,500 feet this morning and down to 1,000 feet after 10 o'clock, and then as I mentioned around 500 feet after noon, and should come back up after thereafter, 1,800 local, and should see anywhere from mostly cloudy to cloudy skies overnight. Ceilings should rise up to about 12,000 feet, and a possibility of them remaining around 4,000 feet as well. We're going to see those rain showers in here this morning, as I mentioned, a chance once we move into the afternoon hours that we have some rain showers in here, most likely more of an isolated, scattered variety once we move into the afternoon hours today, and should see all the rain out of here by and after 2200 local this evening. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday, mostly cloudy to overcast, rain likely by late afternoon, a high of 49 for your New Year's Day. That rain likely looks like it should come in, as I mentioned, by the late afternoon. So probably about 3 or 4 o'clock, we really should have that bulk of the rainfall in here. And we should see those ceilings near 500 feet with a warm front moving through on Friday afternoon. Friday night, overcast, rain likely, mild with an early low of 49, then temperatures rise in the mid to upper 50s overnight. We'll see that rain likely once again. Could see some pockets of moderate rainfall overnight Friday, and as well we'll see ceilings, a better chance below 500 feet. For Saturday, we'll have a chance of a lingering shower early, then partly cloudy and mild, a high of 65. We'll see rainfall chances about 20% during the morning. Should see that front and all the precipitation move out of the region for by the time we get to 8 o'clock Saturday morning, but can't rule out a lingering shower, and as well can't rule out some lingering low clouds in the area. So that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.